Hi everyone, hope you're well. I'm doing another video of our Meet the Products mini-series today, but this one's actually slightly different as it's come as a direct response to a question that we've had from one of our customers. A few years ago we used to sell a pneumatic positioner made by Westlock and under the Avid brand as well. So it was the Westlock 793 and the Avid PS positioner, and that was actually a pneumatic positioner driven by a 3 to 15 PSI control signal. Unfortunately, that position is no longer available, so we have actually been selling the PMV P5 positioner in its place. I've done a previous video on this so you can have a look at the different features and benefits, but we've actually had a customer who's actually come on and been inquiring about this and is keen to look at using the P5 as an alternative to the previous positioner that we used to sell, but he's actually a Keystone customer, so he wants to be able to directly fit the Keystone actuator with the positioner, and we've actually come up with a solution for that. So I just wanted to do a little video today just to show you what that solution is. So the normal P5 positioner that we keep has this drive on the bottom, which has a Namur tang on it, and the Namur tang on there would generally go into the top of the Namur pinion on an actuator, and obviously that would tell the position where the actuator is at. Obviously that is no good to go into the top of a Keystone actuator, as it's actually a female drive. So what we've actually done is we've developed a drive adapter that comes in a little kit for you that allows us to replace. We've actually popped this drive adapter out and we replace it with this drive adapter, which actually replicates the bottom of the Westlock ModMount Bracket. So we would remove this piece from here, and then we would fit our new drive adapter to the bottom of the P5. We can put the ModMount bracket in place, and then the PMV Positioner P5 fits straight on top. The kit comes with all the fixings that you need included to fit it to the actuator, and if you are buying the actuator from us, we can fit it for you and test it, or we can just supply the product with the mod mount already fitted onto the bottom of there to make it really easy for you. So that's just a quick video today just to demonstrate one of our little products that we've got that solves a lot of problems for a positioner that's no longer available. So you can buy the P5 PMV positioner with the coupler and the bracket to fit directly onto the F89 Keystone actuator, which we now stock. So just thought I'd show you that. As always, if you're watching on social media, please give us a like and a share. You can head over to our YouTube channel where there's all the other videos, including the one that I've done on the full range of PMV positioners. You can subscribe there to get updates when new videos come out. If you do want any information on this product or any other products, please get in touch with us by the links at the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.